Hi guys, all of you good evening and welcome back to Jenkins 7th class. Yes, am I correct? Jenkins 7th class.
Yes.
Okay guys, in today's class we will discuss about the email notification. So what is the use of email notification? By the email notification we can get the alerts or mails on build status. If the build fails, we will get mail. If the build is back to normal, we will get the mail. Okay, but we are going to configuring email notification in Jenkins. Okay, yes. Let me show you that. First of all, launch your Jenkins mission. Finish. Login as a root and its password. You can create it. 194. Okay, let's class OTP calendar. Bill, Mapaka. Next, system critical start firewall. Okay, click this address and open the project. Colon 0 start. Username. Okay guys, this is my dashboard. Already we are having 3 jobs here. Now, so guys, if job build fail, if any build fail, we need to be get that alerts from the Jenkins. Okay, for example, now what I'm doing that just I'm going to configuring one job. Yes, or else one successful job is there now. This is successful job. Let me reconfigure this one. Yes. Source code. See guys, this is the repository. This is the repository. So in GitHub we don't have that repository. See, already we got that alert. Okay. Now by this repository, what we are doing that we are going to building the job. Just let me show this one and see guys, build now. Of course, 100% build pay. 100% build pay. Because so this is the logs information. This is the logs information. The same information we need to get by mail. Okay, this is the output, console output. So whatever we are seeing this information, the same information we need to see by the mail. Okay guys. So now what I'm doing that I'm going to reconfiguring this job. Yes, click on that configure. See guys, yes, post build actions. Now you can see here, yes, in the post build actions, you can see email notification. Just already I have that one mail here. This is my mail ID. Yes. Now email notification, just I am adding this mail ID. Okay, for every unstable build also. Okay, yes. Now click on that, save. Yes, build again. We will not get mail. We will not get mail. See, successfully build failed. Successfully build failed. Now you can refresh here. See guys. No, because we didn't configure email notification concept in Jenkins admin level. Okay, so we need to, first of all, we need to configure this email notification in Jenkins. Now the steps. First of all, we need to configure Jenkins email notification. How it works, let me show you some process. Here, keep in mind, whenever we are going to receiving mail, so we are going to receiving from the sender. Yes or no? Here we should have two persons, receiver and sender. Now here, now this is the receiver mail ID. We have configured receptionist mail. Got it now? So receiver mail we have configured in this job. But who are sending that? Yes or no? The send person should have here. Who are going to sending that? The sending mail we need to configure in the configuration level. From that mail we are getting mails on every build page. Okay guys. Here. See guys. This is the Jenkins server. This is Jenkins server. This is Jenkins server. Now, yes, these are the persons. User 1 or, okay, employee 1, employee 2, like this we are having. Okay. Guys, imagine it. There are 78 members are there in this project. Now every person working with the project. Okay, we are going to configuring our job in Jenkins. We are, yes, GitHub administrator is there, programmer is there, build engineer is there, test engineer is there, deployment engineer is there, and the database engineer is there. Okay, monitoring person is there, release person is there, every person is there. Okay, now employee 1, just imagine it, employee 1 is the programmer. Okay, he is sent to remote repository. This is the GitHub server. This is the GitHub. Okay guys, in this GitHub, programmer writing code and sending into remote repository. Okay. Employee 1, programmer sending the code to GitHub. Employee 2 is the person, or employee 3 pulling the code from GitHub to Jenkins. Employee 3 pulling the code from GitHub to Jenkins. While pulling the code, yes, he is the person, he is the GitHub administrator. He is the GitHub administrator. Mr. Gopinath.
Yeah. Tell me.
Can you send your one GitHub repository to my mail ID? But you need to disturb that repository while sending that. You need to misplace 1 or 2 characters in that URL.
Okay.
You got it on my point?
Okay. Got it.
Send me my mail ID. Yes, this is my mail ID. Just let me show you that. See, guys, this is okay. I'm sending this mail ID by messenger. Please send to that mail. See, just imagine it. Now Gopinath is the GitHub administrator. I don't have permission to enter into the GitHub. Okay. GitHub administrator send one mail to configure one job in Jenkins. I am the Jenkins administrator. I have rights to configure Jenkins jobs in Jenkins. But I don't have permission to enter into the GitHub to take that repositories. The authorized person sending to my mail ID. So what I am doing that I am going to taking that mail ID. Just I'm waiting for your response.
Yeah, from GitHub, I log into the GitHub. From there, I need to send Ravi.
Take that code, click on that code, copy that URL, HTTPS URL, copy that URL.
Okay, fine.
So today's scenario also little bit one kind of real time, how it will happen when we can see these kind of mistakes.
Yeah, I copied that URL.
And send me to my mail ID. I already have sent to my mail ID in the GoToMeeting messenger.
Okay, fine.
First of all, open your mail compose and paste in the body, and take this mail ID and paste in the receptionist list. Normal. How we are sending that normal mail like that only.
Okay.
So I think already we are having one our mail ID. Please log in into that mail.
I sent.
Have you sent?
No, I sent. From my another GitHub mail ID. Yeah, I sent.
I haven't received. Okay, now I got it. See guys, this is, now imagine it, Gopinath is the GitHub administrator. Okay, he got one project repository mail ID along with some message. So what he is saying that, dear Ravindra, this is our new GitHub repository project for you. We are going to configuring for one test. Okay, test environment. Take this URL and configure job in the Jenkins. He's saying that. Okay, immediately I have replied that. Okay. Now what I'm doing that? So whatever they have given, just I'm taking this URL. Now I'm copying this URL. I don't know about that. Yes, I'm not sure about this one. Is that correct or not? I'm feeling like that. That's a executable repository URL. Okay. Yes, I'm taking this URL, copy this URL, and move to your Jenkins job. Yes, click on that new item. Now I'm going to configuring yes test project 001. Yes, click on that pre-sale project. Click on that OK button. Now source code URL to that Git and see. But I don't know about that repository branch name. Okay, just what I'm doing that I'm following this one regularly. I'm not going to changing that. Okay, because they didn't mention that. Okay, now what I'm doing that is configure this job, and already we have configured post build actions. See, email notification. I'm configuring this. Yes, what is the mail ID? This is the mail ID. Copy this one and come here. Just paste here. If build fail, of course we will not get mail, but a build fail. Okay, if the repository is correct repository, we will get build success. Otherwise if it's not repository correct, okay, what we will get build fail. Of course, I am feeling like that. Yes, maybe that repository with the main branch. See guys, see this is the output. Problem with it. Yes, see guys. So now, just what I'm doing that in the test case, I'm pulling the code from GitHub to Jenkins. Okay, whatever we did, yes, on that job, we got that failure. Now I want to send these same logs to Gopinath. Got it now? But not from my personal mail ID. Got it now? We need to send from the company mail ID. Okay, so we need to send this one, but we are not doing this. Yes, selecting this and copy pasting like that. That's not good. So yes, whatever we got this, yes, we need to send to all respective team members. Okay, each and every person want to receive that whatever we got that failure logs, because we need to maintain one transparency. For example, now what I'm doing that, and now I'm going to informing that. See, so how I'm going to informing? Yes, I'm taking these logs, I'm sending to Gopinath. This is not correct way. So now what I'm doing that, I'm going to replying to Gopinath. Okay. If I send to Gopinath, okay, if I'll send to only Gopinath, what about remaining team members? Now only this process communicating in between two persons only. Who's that persons? Me and I, nothing but build engineer and GitHub administrator. Okay, the communication being going between two persons only. What about remaining? There are almost 7-8 members are there. 8 members are there. Yes, how they will communicate with us? That's not good. So see, okay, here one thing, that one flow is there. Just imagine it. If it will continue in between two persons, remaining all members or persons, they will be in confusion. They are having lot of communication gap between these two persons. I mean that remaining persons and these two persons, because these two persons only communicating, and remaining persons having some gap, communication gap. If we want to fill that one, we should be in the transparent mode. Just imagine it. One project going to configuring. Okay, in the meeting. Okay, on the con call. Yes, we have discussed in today morning. Okay. Yes, what we have discussed. Yes, the team lead or project manager going to announcing. He announced one concept. Dear team, we are going to configuring one new job on new client. Okay, we got one new client. Already everything is ready. Okay, already code is there. Maybe he is going to migrating from one client to our location. I mean that he is migrating to previous company to our company. Now we are the vendor to that new client. So now we are going to configuring one test project. Already code is there, everything is there. Just we are going to test configuration of our environment for testing the product. Okay, be ready with this project. Okay, today end of the day we need to test that product. He announced that, and the team members also accepted. Okay, on their task they are going to configuring with everything, and they are busy with their individual tasks whatever they have. Okay, taken that or that commitment. Now Jenkins server is ready and GitHub is ready. Build engineer also ready. Now the build engineer is going to building that. That remaining team persons are waiting. Team members are waiting for to get output. To get output. Yes, now test engineer is ready. Once the build is over, yes, a test engineer ready to take the product and to test that product. Yes, after testing that, yes, release engineer is ready to release the product to send into test environment. Again, that pre-production environment. Yes, the deployment team is ready to deploy the product. Is waiting for confirmation from the release engineer, and the release engineer waiting for confirmation from the test. Test engineer, and the test engineer waiting from he is waiting for the product from the build engineer. But the build is not ready here. You got it now? Test engineer waiting for the product from the build engineer, but the build engineer getting fails again and again. He is not informing to remaining team. Yes, test engineer asking that, dear Ravindra, what happened? Yes, I'm waiting for your build output for testing that. As per our commitment, we need to test as soon as possible. Please send that product. Give me updates. Yes, what I'm doing that? Yes, I'm going to mailing that. Keep on mailing to all people. Yes, the team. Yes, I'm working on that. Please wait for updates. I will come with updates as soon as. For every 1 minute or every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, I'm going to keep on mailing them. How much it is correct? That's not correct. Okay. See, test engineer waiting, release engineer waiting, deployment engineer waiting, and database team waiting, and monitoring team waiting, and client also waiting. But almost 2 hours over, 3 hours over, 4 hours over, keep on build pay. But these process happening in between two persons only. And the remaining team members are keep on asking that, Ravindra, what happened? How many times I want to reply to them? That's not good. For avoiding this confusion, this gap, what we have to do? We need to configure one transparent job. On that job, so yes, that entire team going to accessing one single mail. There are 8 members are there. 8 members accessing one mail. There's a transparent mail. You got it now, guys? Now, if we send one build output to this transparent mail, what it will happen? What will happen? Every person will receive the mail and they will check that logs, whatever we are seeing here, like this. Got it now? Got it now? Yes, if we send this one, the test engineer will get that. He will realize, and that release person also, and what is that the deployment team also, database team also, monitoring team also. Yes, they will get updates. What they will feel? Oh, the build happening in between GitHub and build location. Till the job going in between two persons. They will get one transparent message. Yes or no? Without a communication gap. So it's when what we have to do? We need to send this build output to all respective team members. Got it now? So now already I think you already were having one mail ID. Which mail we are having, guys? In last This one, na? This one or 0011 or 001? 00?
Yes, yes, sir.
No. Which mail? 001 CloudGen. Yes. Let me add one more. See guys. Now. Okay. Please log in into this mail ID. You all of you guys. Okay. So now what we are doing that? We are going to configuring. Okay. This is the sender mail ID. This is the sender mail ID. Yes, Ravindra.DevOps is the sender mail ID and receiver mail ID. CloudGen 001. Sorry, not this one. Yes, 001 cloudgen@gmail.com. Whatever it may be, I am going to configuring one mail in the Jenkins. From that mail, you will get notifications to this mail. Okay. I am sending notifications to this mail ID. Okay. Yes, copy this one and come into the job. Yes, I am changing that job. Yes, reconfiguring post build actions. Yes, remove this one. Yes, of course we will not get. See guys, you can build it again. Yes, 100% build fail again. Now what we are doing that we are going to configuring. Yes, let me check that. Yes, I am requesting that Gopinath, can you send back one mail? Can send back one mail like that. Just pass check that branch or something like that. Some questions will rise.
Okay.
Some questions.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, which branch you are using? Yes, this code is located in the what is that main branch or something branch name like that.
Yeah, I will see.
This communication will happen like that. I mean that mails like this. You all of you guys be ready with some mail configurations. You need to put mails. That's also very important. Mailing policy also very important. At least you need to write some mails. Yes, please wait. Please, a little bit fast.
I will verify the branch.
You don't change that. Keep like that error link only. But maybe the branch problem. Okay, we need to like that. So let me change here. Yes, I'm going to changing that branch name. Source code. Yes, I'm changing that main. From my end, I'm testing. Already have sent mail, but I'm waiting for mail. Meanwhile, I'm going to checking with the branches. Maybe by mistake he sent that to master branch or something like that. I'm testing. See now.
Yeah, I sent Ravi. I see.
Yes, the code in the main branch, sir. So build success. Build success. Okay. Console output. Now what I'm doing that. Okay, we will check with another one. Okay, Gopinath, please send me mail. Let's see. Okay. So like that here. Okay, we got that. Hi team. Thanks for update. Okay, have you verified the branch? Kindly check it. and let me know still if you are facing the same issue. Okay, of course we got that success. Okay, but the sender, that person didn't mention that the code is in the particular branch. He didn't mention that branch name, but he sent only repository URL. Okay, so with my personal interest, what I did is I have changed that branch name. Okay, so I have sent one mail to that respective person. Meanwhile, with my personal interest, what I did that I have changed that maybe the code is in this branch. So we modified that branch name successfully. We got that. Okay, now, so what we have to do? We need to send mail. Okay, thanks. It's working. Okay, we are sending like this. Now, for example, if we build failed, imagine it. So now what we are doing is the person has sent one. Yes, this is the repository. Yes, we are building now. We build failed. Already we have configured post build actions, but we didn't get any mail. Yes, post build actions. See, let me check here. This is the mail ID now. See guys, we didn't get any mail because we didn't configure one email notification concept inside Jenkins admin console. Okay, keep in mind guys, here we are having two environments. One is the front end, one is the back end. Back end means that complete belongs to hardware. Okay, not hardware. Yes, that configuration concept, administration concept. Yes, installing the plugins, creating users. Okay, deleting users. Okay, like this. You got it now? So we need to configure like this. That part is different. Okay, build output part is different. Now what we are doing that we are going to configuring email notification in the Jenkins. Yes, save this one, guys. Be careful with this one. Now be in the Jenkins dashboard. Now we are going to configuring email notification concept inside Jenkins. Okay, email notification concept is different. Email adding concept in Jenkins job, that concept is different. In this job already we have configured mail, but we didn't get any mail. Yes, I have taken this mail and added into the job email notification location, but we didn't get that now. Now the primary part, we need to configure email notification. Be in the Jenkins dashboard, click on that manage Jenkins. Now click on that. See guys, system, click on that system. Yes, what is the Jenkins path? What is the Jenkins home path? /root/.jenkins. On which method? By using Tomcat.
Tomcat method.
Yes, if you are using that install Jenkins.
/var/lib/Jenkins.
Okay, keep in mind. Now come to the end of the page in this configure system. You can see one email notification. Don't take that extended email notification. Yes, we are having one more that email notification. This one. Okay, guys, we need to set up here now. Okay, this is the last step in this phase. Okay, in the basic level. Now we are going to configuring that. Yes, SMTP. Okay, smtp.gmail.com. smtp.gmail.com. Okay, now suffix that your wish. Okay, that your interest. Yes, gmail.com. Guys, 1 minute, guys. Okay, smtp. Okay, smtp.gmail.com. Simple mail transfer protocol. SMTP means simple mail transfer protocol. Next, click on that advanced. Yes, use SMTP authentication. Yes, here that part is very important. Now we are going to specify that send our mail ID. Got it, na? We need to send our mail ID. Yes, I am taking this one. Send our mail ID. Copy this one. Yes, come into Jenkins. Now password. Okay, here password. Okay, before 1.5 year or 1 year. So whatever we are having Gmail password, original mail ID password. Okay, yes, we have specified that, but Gmail not accepting this one. Gmail not accepting this kind of format. If you are giving that Gmail original mail ID password, Gmail not accepting that format, because Gmail organization treating to Jenkins. Got it on my point? Gmail organization treating to Jenkins like Jenkins is a less secure app. Gmail organization feeling like that. So whatever we are going to using this Jenkins app application, it's a less secure app. Who are feeling like this? Gmail organization feeling like that. So that reason, I am not giving you permission to access my console password in a third-party locations. Actually, the password, whatever we have given password, that belongs to Gmail organization. But from here we are accessing, from third-party location we are going to accessing. So that reason, Gmail not accepting like that due to security reasons. Okay, if you are using, if any other person using, maybe that is a misuse. I'm not giving that permission to access from the third party locations. So that reason we need to follow with another way, another method. So what is that method? Yes, now come here. Yes, click on this profile icon. Yes, manage Google account. Manage Google account. Click on that security. Now you can see here. Yes, two-way authentications. Password manager, saved password, not this. Just wait, guys. Pass this. Just wait. Close home devices. Password manager. Just 1 minute, guys. Just guys, click on this one. Manage Google account. So security. Two-step verification. Click on get started. What is this? 0001. I think not this one, no? Okay, guys, not this one. We will take this one. Which one? Just wait, guys. Guys, we will take this one. So this is the sender mail ID, na? This I think this one receiver mail ID. Receiver mail ID. So we are taking this sender mail ID. Just click on this one. Yes, so click on that security. Click on the two-step verification. Scroll down. Get started. Yes. Right. We'll get that notification message. If you are going to configuring first time, we need to set up like this one. Yes, export. Click on next. Yes, turn on now. Just wait, guys, and click on that again to two-step verification. Just scroll this one. See, guys. After configuring, you will get like this now. Just click on this app password, application passwords. Okay. Now name that. We are naming that Jenkins. Yes. Create. Done. See, this is the key. We need to copy this one. Copy this one. Done. Click on that. Done. Now move to Jenkins. Yes. Paste. Got it now? Like this. Yes. Save this one and use this LTS SMTP port number 465, not 456. Keep in mind. Not 456, 465 port number. Next, replay address. Just same one we are going to naming this one. Yes, paste here. Now UTF by default. Leave that by default. Now what we are doing that whatever we have configured these steps, we are going to testing either correct or not. Okay. Now click on that. Yes. Now send one mail ID. Receiver's mail ID. Now what I'm giving, yes, I'm taking this mail ID. Now we will get one notification to this mail ID. If everything correct, we will get one notification from the Jenkins. With this mail ID to this mail ID. Okay. Now click on that test configuration. If everything fine, yes, we will see that connection successful. See, guys, email was sent successfully. Okay. Now you can check here. See, guys, test mail. Got it? Now email notification is okay. We have configured. Now from this time, who is the sender mail ID? Who is the sender here? Yes. This is the sender. Okay. This is the sender mail ID. Yes. We have configured sender mail ID. Sender mail ID. Receiver's mail ID. Okay. This all persons are receivers. Got it now? So we are having another mail ID. We are sending the notifications by this mail ID to this mail ID, receiver's mail ID. Okay, I think already all of you guys accessing this mail ID. Yes or no? Now you will get notifications to this mail ID. Okay, it's the communication mail to all members. Okay, guys. Now, okay. Yes. Receiver's mail ID. Sender. This is the sender mail ID. Now let me build one job. Already we have configured. Save this one. Okay. Until when you remove that mail ID, we will send the mails to different mail IDs. But sender mail ID is one. Now sender mail ID is the only one. But we can configure for every job with one different mail ID. Now we have configured. So now which mail we have given here? You can check here. I think 001 post build actions. See. So what is that? 001. Now we are going to giving that 00 mail ID, 001 cloud gen. Yes, this one. Now what I'm doing that I'm going to, yes. Okay. Now save this one. build now, 100% we will get mail. From which mail ID? CloudGen 001. From CloudGen 001 we will get 0011, okay, to 001 CloudGen. Now you can check here. Yes, come back. See guys, build a fail in Jenkins. Now you can see guys, all of you guys, from in your mobile also, in your system also, already we are having this mail ID. You are also accessing this mail ID. Am I correct or not, guys? Please check your end. Please check your end.
Yes, I got it, Ravi.
Yes. See, like this. Okay. Now, if you want to change, yes. Now, what I am doing that I am going to configuring, yes, to with another mail ID. See, guys. Yes, post build actions. Yes. Depends on that. Okay. Now, so this is another mail ID, but this is the receiver mail ID. We are sending to build notifications to this mail ID. We are sending the notifications to this mail ID. From which mail ID? From which mail ID? From this mail ID, we are sending the notifications to this mail ID. Okay, we are going to configuring mail ID for this job. Okay, guys. Now save this one. Of course, build fail. We didn't concentrate. We are not going to concentrating how to resolve that job. We are concentrating to get the mails from Jenkins once the build fail. You got it now? Now save this one. Build now. Of course, 100% we will get notification and the job build fail also. See guys. See, sending email to Ravindra. Now you can see here already. I think. Let's go back. See guys. See, build fail. Now what we are doing that? Says these are the reasons. This is the logs information. Okay. Now what we are doing that? We are going to configuring. Yes, what is the cause? Maybe URL issue. URL issue. Yes, configure. Click on that configure. Yes, source code environment. Yes, what is that? DevOps. PS na? DevOps project 11. Yes, save this one. Okay, yes, build now. If you build is success, we will get. If you build fail, we will get. Build success. Now you can see that build is back to normal. Build is back to normal. See guys. It's mean build is back to normal mean it's yes, build success. It's a running state. You got it now? But now build it once again. Build it once again. You will not get mail. When we can get mail, if the build fail, we will get. So whatever the build fail is there, if you reconfigure, if you troubleshoot that, after troubleshooting, if you go for build, if the troubleshoot is okay, yes, we will get one more mail, build is back to normal. Once again, if you build that same job without configuring or after configuring, if the job is success, we will not get mail. We will not get mail until when you get build fail again. Got it now? Until when you get build fail again, until that we can't get any kind of mails from the Jenkins. If the Jenkins job is failed, build is failed, you will get a mail notification. After getting the mail notification, if you configure, if anyone resolve that issue, yes, Jenkins will go for once again build. If build is success, we will get one more notification, your build is back to normal. It means we need to understand our job is successfully running. You got it now? So this is the email notification concept. You got it now, guys? Yes, here any doubt? Guys, here any doubt? See, here already build success now. Build success. You will not get any kind of notification. See, guys. at 7:44, and see guys, now 7:46. At 7:44 we build that. Yes, build is to back to normal. See, 7:44 build is back to normal. Okay. Now at 7:45 we build again. Okay. Because build success. So that reason we didn't get mail. You got it now? This is the email notification concept. It's very important concept. Okay. For configuring or to get the alerts from the Jenkins. Okay. Yes. Up to here, any doubt, guys? Up to here, any doubt? Guys? Just guys, I'm repeating this concept. So how you can configure email notification in the Jenkins? Yes, you should have 2 mail IDs for test cases, or else you can test with 1 mail ID also. The same mail ID receiver, same mail ID is the sender. Okay, you can. So first of all, what you have to do? You need to enter into the mail ID. First of all, you need to click on this one. Just click on that manage your Google account. Now click on that security. Yes, click on that 2-step verification. Okay, it will ask that authentication either valid or not. Okay, make sure that. Okay, of course it will ask that confirmation once again that by applying password. Okay, for configuration. This is the second level. This is the second level. First level, yes, you can see through what is that video. Okay, so once you click on that, after configuring first step, it's a second step. Now you can see that app passwords. Click on here. Yes, name that whatever you want that. Yes, for example, now what we are doing that Jenkins. Just click on that create. It will give us one password. This is the password. Copy this one. Copy this one and click on that done. Move to Jenkins. Move to Jenkins. Click on that be in the dashboard. Click on that manage Jenkins. Click on that manage Jenkins. Click on that configure. Click on that configure. Now come to bottom of the page. You can find that email notification. See guys, this is the email notification. You need to apply that smtp.gmail.com and the suffix. It's not a mandatory. That's the optional. That your interest. Okay, that's personal. That's your personal interest. But it's a mandatory. Now click on that advanced. Yes, here you need to give that mail ID from which mail you want to send the notifications to respective persons. Okay. Yes, that's mail ID, and you need to change the password. Yes, remove this one, add this one. Of course, first time you will not get any kind of password. Empty or blank. Okay, text boxes we will get. Okay, name your mail ID and give the password whatever we have generated here. Whatever we have generated password, give here. Okay, guys, and yes, use that SSL and TLS transmission layer. Okay, sorry, security. Yes, okay, guys, and port number 465 and that replay mail ID and click, and by default leave that. And for a test case, if you want to see that either success or not, whatever we have given these details, yes, give here and mail ID to test case mail ID. Yes, copy this one. Anyone, you can take anyone. Okay, now come here, just apply here and click on the test configuration. If everything fine, we will see that test connection successful. Okay, guys, email was successfully sent. It means successfully we have configured email notification. See guys, this is the test mail. If you will get this one, and here only we can understand. If you will get this one, yes, whatever we have configured, that's a success. Okay, guys. Now save this one. So this is the permanent mail ID. Okay, that's a permanent mail ID in this Jenkins. So from that mail ID, we are sending all mails to. Okay, guys. So whatever we have configured mail IDs inside these jobs. This is the concept. email notification concept, guys. Yes, let me know any doubt, guys. If you have any doubt, please let me know.